Good morning, my dear ones. Take a look at the treasure someone discarded. Let's examine it more closely. The entire set is intact. Everything is here. Let's rescue this table and grant it a second joyful life. I'll dismantle the table using the tools at my disposal: 2 screwdrivers and a hammer. Ready? Now let's wash everything. I'm using a brush to strip off the old paint. All set. I clean the table for drying and tidy up my work area. The table has dried. I propose enriching the wood with oil, olive oil in this case. I'm employing a standard hair dye brush to apply a generous coat to all surfaces. The wood darkens instantly, enhancing its beauty. The entire table is now covered in oil. Now I'll leave the table for a few hours to let the oil soak in. For this project, I acquired unused tiles from France, a quarter ornament, an imitation of aged coating, and 2 narrow tiles resembling wood. It all needs washing. All components are prepared for assembly. I'm binding this part using furniture glue. Applying it into all joints. While a sealant would be ideal, I don't have one. Instead, I'm using this cord, securing it with a stapler around the perimeter. All set. I position the table in its designated space, laying 2 long tiles underneath. On top, there are 2 placement options. The first one involves a light tile followed by dark one. This is the completed look. Now let's reverse it. First, there is a light tile and then a dark one at top. This is what it looks like when finished. And now it's the other way around. I include lunch mats and cup holders. Share your preference. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the video. Best of luck with your sewing. Bye for now.